Don't be ashamed to ask for help. Hello, friends. This is Shundel. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us that we all need help from one thing to another. And it is very important that we must ask help when we needed it. We need to swallow our pride sometimes to ask for help. Many times we don't like it. It is our pride. We don't like to ask help. But remember, as a human being, we all need help. Sometimes it is foolish pride that gets people in trouble. It's easy to have the I'll do it myself attitude, but stubbornness can lead to serious consequences. Asking for help, loading your own moving truck could not only save you from any aching back or a ruptured disc, but could actually make what would have been a dreaded core into a fun day with friends. Calling for assistance is nothing to be ashamed of. Neither will people think more highly of you just because you have a reputation of being a one-man band. When you have experienced the benefit of someone helping you, it means it makes you more willing to reach out and help someone else as well. As it says in Proverbs 3:27, tell us, do not withhold good from those to whom it is due. When it is in your power to act,